Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Briefing with Liberty, and today I have a design team unboxing from ScrapDiva Designs. I know it's been a while since my last one, but she asked if I would like another design team package, and of course I said yeah. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It is 10 at night, and I told Chris, I was like, I have to get it, so I grabbed it. Don't want to cut through anything. She gave me so many. You can hear Clay in the back. She is taking a bath with her brother. So many dies, guys. Ooh. Okay. Get on out. Okay. So. No, she did. Okay, I had to do a little dance off camera. But okay. Let me go ahead and share with you guys what she has sent me. So the first die that she sent is this like greenery die. It has like little hearts on the ends, and I love using vines or anything like that for my embellishments. So I'm really excited for this. I can't wait to share with you guys what I create with these. And then this, I think, is like the little heart, the arrow dies. So I need to figure out how these go together. But you get 2 stitched hearts in different sizes. And you get the little like arrow pieces. I love getting her dies because I'm always like, okay, what can I do with this? So I'm really excited, you guys. I was so happy when she asked me to get another design team package. Okay, and then this one is a shaker. It's a really big flower shaker, and then she even has 4-leaf clovers, so you can do spring themed projects, and you can also do St. Patrick's Day. So there's bloom, grow, you can stack those, and then there's a dragonfly, and then the little bodies for the butterfly and the dragonfly. This butterfly is really cute. Oh gosh, I can't even see. Yeah, this butterfly right here is so cute. You have the bodies, and then again you have some more greenery pieces, and then these little flowers that you can layer up on each other. This is going to be really cute. I have some ideas already for this one. Okay. Hate using this mat. Okay. And then some word dies. This one here says, Galentine, be mine, love you, XOXO, and adore. I don't mind doing some Valentine's Day stuff since I still have the collection that I was using out. So I'm definitely going to be using these. And then this one says Valentine, besties, Cupid, hugs, always, and hugs and kisses. So a bunch of little word dies. And you guys, I said this in my last video how much I really wanted this peppermint alphabet die because I love my alpha dies. And you guys, she sent it to me. She is the sweetest thing ever, I swear. Every time. She always makes my crafty heart happy. Her packages. So these are the peppermint dies. I cannot wait to share with you guys what I do with this. I love alphas. So you get the backing and the front piece. And then she even sent the numbers. Like, she really didn't have to do both, but she sent me both. So I got those. So a little bit of everything going on here. And there's this scallop heart die. Is it a frame? No. So she has like a scallop circle frame, or like a circle. And then she even has the inner piece, so you can layer paper on top, or you can even make it a frame. So again, I already am having some ideas. I haven't been crafting, so you know, like just for my own sake, it's either for a swap or, you know, nothing else. But yeah, I cannot wait to design with that. And then here, this is a little envelope die. I love envelopes. I love getting different ones, and I love this little wave that she has on here. It's kind of like a seed packet, and then this has like a little heart die cut. This might be a layering piece. Oh yeah, for the mini one, and then there's a large one too. So, bunch of layering pieces. That's why I love her dies, because she always includes layering pieces for it. And then this says shake it, so you can put shaker mixes in here. And then a bunny shaker. Oh, and it has little glasses. You guys can see. There's little glasses, the face, the little heart nose, some eyes. And then the back there's like a bow that you can, you know, layer up onto each other, and then some layering pieces. Again, it's like a shaker. So some spring things. If you guys are working on spring projects, definitely. She has some cute ones. And then here, this is a bow die. It's a really big bow die, you guys. So she includes, again, all the layering pieces for it. This says girly. Wait, no, am I not? Girl. Yeah, girly. I love it. It says girly, bows, love, and girly. So she has them in different sizes, so that's pretty cool. I'm like, in my head, I'm like thinking of things that I want to make. So if I'm quiet, if I don't edit that part out, it's because of that. I'm like, my mind's running. So that's gonna be fun. And then she even sent this background, like this cover plate, and you guys, look at this, all the hearts. I love the stitching on here. I love cover plates like with hearts and stitching, so this is gonna be really fun. I can't wait to see how it looks. And then this here is like a layering flower die, a bunch of pieces, so you can easily die cut all these out and then make a bunch of flowers at once. So if you guys can see all the embossing on here. Okay, and then the last couple dies. This is a tag die set, and this one you just flip it over. So if you're using like a double-sided paper, you just flip it over and you can actually tuck this piece in, and you have a topper piece. So it looks like this. Oh, sorry guys. It looks like this. And she has one that, I don't know if these layer, oh yeah, I think this layer is on top of here maybe, but this has stitching on the outer edge, and then this one is just a plain cut. Not sure my camera's acting up. So it looks like that. And then the last one, of course, are bows, and you cannot go wrong with bows. Sorry to hear Chris. I think he purposely is loud just to be funny, and I think it's hilarious. Okay, and then there's this one right here. So this is a layering bow die, and she has little hearts that are cut out here on the sides of the bows, and she has 3 different sizes. For the small and the medium sized one, she has little hearts that cut out too on the little legs. Or not the legs, the tails. So it looks like that. And then those are all the dies she sent me. I was not expecting all these dies. She usually sends me a lot, so I don't know why I always think she isn't. But I love when she does, because I love creating with her dies. She makes it so easy to craft with. But if you guys are interested in her shop, I will have all her info linked down below for you guys, so that you guys can check her out and support her. She has way more dies. I will make sure to link down the playlist that I have with all her stuff on my channel down below as well. So make sure you check the description box. It has a lot of info on there for her shop, and videos that can help you like see what she has. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.